Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to have a look at all you need to know about hidden fuel killers in your car. When your car's fuel consumption suddenly spikes, the culprit is often not obvious. Beyond heavy traffic or a lead foot, several hidden fuel killers can be silently draining your wallet. These issues typically fall into three main categories. It could be caused by mechanical fault that creates unnecessary drag, or it could be caused by maintenance oversight that reduces engine efficiency, or sometimes the system malfunctions that disrupt the combustion process can cause a spike in fuel consumption. Let's go ahead and have a look at each one by one. Let's begin from the mechanical drag. When your car fights itself, these issues force your engine to work harder just to overcome physical resistance, burning more fuel in the process. What could be causing mechanical drag? For example, stuck brake calipers. This is a major but often overlooked culprit. If a brake caliper seizes or if a drum brake is rubbing to the brake shoe, then this will remain potentially pressed against the rotor, creating constant subtle drag. You might notice the car pulling to one side if the drag is happening on one side, and you might also experience burning smell after driving, or you might find that one wheel hub is significantly hotter than the other when you touch the tire. This constant friction makes the engine labor continuously, drastically increasing fuel consumption. So stuck brake calipers, dragging brake shoes on drum brake assembly can cause the fuel consumption to increase. The other cause of increased fuel consumption as a result of mechanical drag is underinflated tires. Low tire pressure increases the rolling resistance between the tire and the road. The engine must then use more power to keep the car moving. According to the US Department of Energy, fuel efficiency can drop up to 0.3% every 1 psi drop in pressure. So get into the habit of checking your tire pressure monthly in order to avoid fuel consumption increase as a result of underinflated tires. Transmission and chassis related increased friction can also cause drag. General friction within the chassis system, such as the transmission components and slipping clutch, all this can waste significant energy. This is essential mechanical loss when the fuel energy is used to overcome internal resistance instead of moving the car forward. This basically happens when some problem is there with the lubrication system. That lack of sufficient lubrication will increase friction, increasing drag, and increasing fuel consumption as a result. Now let's go ahead and have a look at maintenance-related mistakes that can increase fuel consumption. Sometimes the very action meant to help your car can hurt its fuel economy if done incorrectly. For example, when engine oil is overfilled or when wrong type of fuel is added to your engine. This is a surprisingly common trap. If too much oil is added into the engine, the crankshaft will turn to churn this, and this will create significant resistance. Similarly, using oil with a viscosity that is too high for your engine or for the climate condition can force the engine to work harder to pump it again. So always check the dipstick and follow the manufacturer's recommended oil grade. The dipstick will tell you the level of oil. It should be between the maximum and the minimum mark, and always use the oil recommended by the vehicle manufacturer for your specific viscosity. Dirty or faulty spark plugs can also increase fuel consumption. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the fuel-air mixture. Over time, they can become covered in carbon deposit, which weakens the spark, and this leads to incomplete combustion. This means the engine has to inject more fuel to maintain power, directly wasting gasoline. So dirty spark plugs result in incomplete combustion, and that will increase fuel consumption. Clogged air filter can also affect fuel consumption. Think of it as the engine lung. A dirty air filter restricts the flow of air into the combustion chamber. Then, the engine computer may then compensate this by adding more fuel to the mixture, upsetting the ideal balance and increasing fuel consumption. Most manufacturers recommend checking your air filter every 5,000 kilometers or so. So, if you find it dirty or clogged, either have it cleaned or replace it right away. System malfunction can also cause fuel consumption to spike. For example, combustion chamber related problems. These issues directly affect the precision of fuel delivery and the burning process. For example, let's look at clogged fuel injectors. Injectors spray a fine mist of fuel into the engine for efficient burning. Over time, carbon deposits and impurities can clog them, disrupting this spray pattern. And this will lead to incomplete combustion, which means wasted fuel, rough idling, poor acceleration, and noticeable drop in mile per gallon. So clogged fuel injectors, leaky fuel injectors, they all waste fuel. Fuel system leak or blockage somewhere can also cause fuel consumption increase. A leak in the fuel line is an obvious hidden killer. Fuel is literally spilling out before it reaches the engine. More subtly, blockage in the fuel line or fuel filters can disrupt the precise fuel pressure needed for efficient combustion, forcing the system to work harder and less effectively. Now let's go ahead and look at some of the fuel-saving gimmicks advertised. In an effort to save fuel, drivers sometimes turn to aftermarket products that promise miracles, but these can be hidden killers in their own right. For example, aftermarket fuel savers. You should be very highly skeptical of these devices like fuel line magnets, vortex generator, and fuel ionizers. They often do nothing for fuel economy, and in some cases they can even disrupt the engine's carefully calibrated air-fuel ratio, potentially leading to worse performance or even engine damage. So don't fall for that bizarre social media hacks telling you to add something into your fuel tank. You may have seen videos suggesting putting things like Coca-Cola, ketchup, dishwasher tablets, and something in the fuel tank. Don't do this. These substances will severely damage your fuel injectors, fuel filters, and the engine itself, leading to repair costs far beyond any imagined fuel saving. The only thing that should go into your fuel tank is the fuel recommended by the manufacturer itself. So, these are some of the things that you need to take into consideration. Now, how can you fight back these fuel consumption related problems? You don't need to be a mechanic to catch some of these fuel killers. Here are some of the things that you can do. For example, do the hot wheel test. After a short drive, carefully feel each wheel near the hub. Without burning your hand, just touch near the hub. If one of the wheels is noticeably hotter than the others, it's a strong suggestion that that wheel is dragging brake. It has a dragging brake problem. And monthly check tire pressure. Use a simple tire pressure gauge to check your tires when they are cold. Inflate them to the pressure listed on the sticker inside your driver's side door jump, not to the maximum pressure on the tire sidewall. And always make sure that you follow regular maintenance. Stick to your vehicle's maintenance schedule. Replacing the air filter, spark plugs, and fuel filters at the recommended interval is one of the most effective ways of preventing efficiency loss. When you are driving, always listen to your car. Pay attention to new noises. Pay attention to any smell, burning like smell especially, or changes in how the car feels. If the car is pulling to one side, indication of a dragging brake. If you have a sluggish acceleration, indicating you some kind of resistance. So these are often the first clues that will tell you something is going wrong. Well, by doing so, you can restore your fuel consumption and alleviate the problem of hidden fuel killers. If you are experiencing specific symptoms like rough idle or a burning smell, have them checked and fix them as soon as possible. Well, that is all we have for you in this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, and if you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing, turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, drive safe.